Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please try and subscribe. Today we'll be doing dark and light mode. I've already designed this already, so you can really look at it and redesign it the way you want. So and I already treated in my other videos about toggle buttons, how we'll make use of toggle buttons. So we'll be making use of toggle buttons here to as our button for light and dark mode. So let's design here. You can see I've already drawn my frame, so I'm trying to make a switch and a toggle button for switch on and switch off. So you can design with me, look at the design already, and design your own the way you want it. So here I want to demonstrate how the dark and light mode works. I'm trying to make sure that this is aligned already. Let's highlight it and make sure it's aligned. You can do that by pressing alternate V. Now let's change the color to blue. Okay, let's change this to white. Yes, let's click on effects. Let's add effect, double effect, drop shadow. Let's add another one. This is what I want it. This is how I want it to look like. Let's do a small right up there. This should be the on button. Let's try and increase the font size maybe to 20 or 24. Okay, 20 is okay. Let's make sure it's aligned already. Let's press alternate V. Okay, it's aligned already. So let's duplicate. Let's rename. Sorry. Then after the renaming on button, let's duplicate it. I can see from this red spots I can easily switch it to the other side of the button, instead of dragging and dropping or something like that. Just click on that red spot and interchange. How will I even say it? Interchange the buttons and make sure it's aligned. So let's align it. Here, let's write off button. Let's make sure they're aligned. In my other videos, I treated about variant, how to make use of variants. So if you have not watched the video, go back and watch the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel also. So let's highlight both of them. Okay, let's change the color first. Let's change the color of the right up to the off button to black, to that color. Let's make it dark. Excuse me. So the next is to highlight it and create a component set with it. Create component set with it, which is variant. So let's go there, click on create component set. So let's go to assets and drag it out, our button, drag it out. You can see our toggle button now is on, off and on. You can see. So now we can arrange these buttons on our already designed frame. Excuse. I think it will be large. This will be large on the. We have to reduce the size of the button though. You understand what I'm trying to say? Let's duplicate this. We alternate and drag the button to duplicate, or you can easily press on your keyboard Ctrl D to duplicate. Let's make sure it's aligned. Try to refresh. You see appeared, so it's very large. We have to resize the button. For it to fit in. Let's resize. No, this is not what we want. So click on K to resize your object, everything inside. When you don't click on that to resize, you notice that only the object you select that is resizing. So let's click on, if you click on K, just a shortcut for you to resize, it will resize everything. So let's zoom in. It will resize everything. This is it will resize everything together. So I think it's okay now. So let's make sure it's aligned. Very good. That's what we want. Let's make sure it's aligned. If you click on it, click my alternate V to align it horizontally. Is aligned. So we can delete the other one and copy this one too. We can delete it and copy this one too. So let's delete this. Let's delete this particular one and recopy this. The off button. Make sure it's aligned too. Let's make sure it's aligned. You can highlight the two. Alternate V. Click on alternate V. So this is it. It has not appeared, so I have to refresh our page. For it to appear. Okay. Well, first of all, let's turn this one on. Let's turn it on. Very good. So let's prototype first before we refresh our page. Let's prototype. Drag it here. You can see it's on click. Move to instantly. That means when I click it, it will move to the dark mode. Dark mode is on. Click. The same thing here. When I click on the body, it will move to the light mode. So let's try and click on presentation to see how it looks like. Let's wait for it to load. We're having a slow network here. Very good. Let's wait. So bear with me. We're almost there. Very good. So if you click on that button, it will what? It will switch to dark mode. So you can see. So you can see off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on smart animation. Our next video will be on smart animation and how it works. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.